Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about Lutec motion activated solar security light. I got it from Costco. It was on sale for 30 Canadian dollars. That was a good deal, so I picked up one for my backyard. I will show you what is in the box, review the specs with you, and then install it. Later today when it is dark, I will test the motion detection and see how bright it is. Let's get started. Instructions that the battery should be charged for at least 12 hours, which is 3 to 7 days according to his calculation, and during that time the light should be in off position. Installation and operations manual gives detailed instructions on installation and operation. This is the solar panel. Comes with more than 15 feet of power cable. The size is 6.3 inches by 7 inches. On the back side, there are 3 mounting holes. 1, 2, 3. This side is to be kept on top. Rotatable, up and down, and sideways as well, so that it faces the sun for the maximum time during daylight. And if you have extra cable, you can wrap around the slot here and insert it here so it doesn't go this way or that way. This cable is long enough so that you can mount the solar panel as far as 4.8 meters or 15.7 feet away from the light. That's a good distance if the location of the solar light is not getting good amount of solar light during the day. This is your 3-head solar light. One panel in the center. You can rotate it up and down, all of it together or individually like this. The sensor is at the bottom, and these are all the settings that we can do as per our requirements. On the back side, this is a separate mounting plate. You can take it out, install it on the wall, and then insert the light from top. This solar light is IP44 weather resistant, specially made for outdoor installations. The light output is 3000 lumens and the color temperature is 5000 K. As it says on the box, the motion detection angle is 240 degrees and the sensor can detect motion as far as 69 feet. Again, that depends how we set the sensitivity from these controls. As I said, each of these light heads can be rotated up and down as well as left and right. The center panel can be moved up to 120 degrees like this. These side panels can be rotated up and down by 90 degrees and they can be rotated sideways by about 80 degrees. The motion detection sensor can be rotated up and down by 90 degrees. You can move it up or down, and there are markings here in case you want to install it on the wall or on the eaves. It can also be rotated sideways this way or that way. And there are markings over here, you can see. The power cord from the solar panel goes in here. There are 2 lithium-ion batteries inside, which you can access by opening these 4 screws. Each battery is 3.6 volts and 2000 milliampere hour. Main settings are here. You can set the sensitivity to low, medium and high. This button is used for testing purposes, and to set the time, the light will remain on after it senses motion and gets activated. You can set it to 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 120 seconds. Half a minute, 1 minute and 2 minutes. That's the maximum. Here we have the brightness or luminosity, 100%. In the center, it is off, the light turns off, and on the right side is 50%. So the brightness can be 100% or 50%, or it can stay off. I was just checking the manual. When the sensitivity is low, motion detection is from 0 to 26 feet or 8 meters. At medium, the sensitivity is from 0 to 49 feet or 15 meters. With high sensitivity, it will detect motion up to 69 feet, which is good enough, especially for big backyards or long driveways. You can test the light with this test button here. I'll keep the brightness at 50%. move this button to test, 50% brightness, off, and 100% brightness. This also shows me that the battery is a bit charged right now. We can always do these settings later after using it for a couple of nights. The light also comes with mounting hardware, screws and plastic anchors. There are 6 each. We need 5, but there's 1 extra. Hopefully this video will help you make an informed decision whether this light is worth buying or not. Taking it out for installation. My basic installation is done. The solar panel is over here, facing the sun for most of the day, and the light is here. Hopefully you can see it is a little dark here. I have kept 2 panels on the front side. One is actually facing the right side and one is facing down, little down to the left side. And I have kept the sensor on this side. So if someone enters from that side, the sensor will sense it and activate the light. The light will sense it. Let me show you the settings now. Set the light to 50%, and this button is on test right now. Sensitivity is medium. I'll keep it at medium. I will keep the brightness at 50%. Keep the time to 60 seconds for now. That is 120, 60. And you can see how I routed the wire. I used small clips to hold the wire with the wall. So this is where I mounted the solar panel. Sun rises from this side and then goes all the way to this side, to the west. The solar light is on the other side. One panel faces this side, so we have light on this side. Main panel is facing the backyard straight, and another panel faces the other side. The sensor is basically facing that side. So when somebody comes from that side, the sensor senses the person and the light gets activated. I will let it charge for a day or two. Today it's a little cloudy. When it's fully charged, I will test it at the night time. That's all for today. I hope the information I have given you in this video will help you make an informed decision whether this light is worth buying or not. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There are several other DIY videos on my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, please take care. Night time now. The solar light battery might have charged a lot. I waited for 2 days. The battery might have charged a lot. So I'm moving towards the light now. Let's see it turns on or not, senses my movements or not. There you go. Fantastic. Fills up all my backyard with light, all the way up to the fence. Excellent. I like it. I kept one panel on the left side, so I could have light on this side as well. Very nice. Excellent.